In this video, you'll learn how to customize prioritization templates in the Priorities module. To customize a template, click Configuration. You'll find several predefined prioritization templates. For example, you can use the Strategic Alignment Model template, which connects an organization's overall strategy with its operational execution, or the Balanced Scorecard template, which uses a framework to prioritize elements based on their alignment with the organization's strategic goals. You can switch templates whenever needed, and all data entered in the previous template is saved. In our example, we select the Eisenhower Matrix that categorizes elements based on their importance and urgency. Now, let's change the score formula. We'll also customize the metric values below. Once you're ready with editing, you can save it as a new or existing template. That's all. Our prioritization template is ready to use. The template is now consistently applied across all tasks, boxes, and goals. Let's complete the metrics for a few objectives and key results that are available under the Goals tab. To sum up, the Priorities module not only provides a set of predefined prioritization templates, but also lets you customize them and create new ones tailored to your specific business needs.